Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of requesting a refund on Steam, ensuring that you can get your money back with ease and confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. Check refund eligibility. Before you start the refund process, make sure your purchase is eligible for a refund. Steam typically allows refunds for games and software under the following conditions. You have played the game for less than 2 hours. You request the refund within 14 days of purchase. Content is playable and you haven't abused the refund policy. Step 2. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam client or visit the Steam website. Make sure you are logged into the account where you made the purchase. Step 3. Navigate to the Help page. Click on the Help menu at the top of the Steam interface. From here, select Steam Support to navigate to the Support page. Step 4. Find your purchase. In the Steam Support section, you will find a list of recent purchases. Click on Purchases to see the items you've bought. Locate the game or software for which you want to request a refund. Step 5. Select the issue. After clicking on your purchased item, you will be prompted to choose an issue. Select I would like a refund to proceed with your request. Step 6. Fill out the refund request form. You will be directed to a refund request form. Here, you need to provide further details. Select how you would like to receive your refund, Steam Wallet or original payment method. Optionally, you can explain why you're requesting the refund, although this is not mandatory. Step 7. Submit your request. Once you have filled out the necessary information, review your request and ensure everything is correct. Click on Submit Request to send your refund application to Steam. Step 8. Check your email for confirmation. After submitting your request, you should receive an email confirmation from Steam acknowledging that your request is being processed. Keep an eye on your inbox for further updates regarding your refund status. Step 9. Wait for the outcome. Steam typically processes refund requests quickly, but depending on your payment method, it may take a few days for the funds to be returned to your account. Thank you for following along with this step-by-step guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support.